In this video, I will be sharing important insights about HR analytical trends that will have a high impact on employee experience. Innovative technologies bring along better methods and intel. Where information once sat still with no one being sure how to use it, that is no more the situation. We are seeing new ways of collecting, calculating, processing, and reporting data so that companies can use it. Though the possibilities with these analytics are endless, below are the top 7 human resource analytics trends to follow. 7. Automatic hiring process and AI-aided new hire selection. By collecting data on who is best suited for the position or the type of employee the organization is looking for, you can significantly reduce the time it takes to find that employee. Automation and AI are widely used to get rid of irrelevant candidates and find applicable ones. How often have you hired an employee who had left soon after, or was not a good match for the organization? For years, employment decisions have been made at least partly with a judgment about an interviewee, but opinions are not always correct. AI, on the other hand, can make hiring decisions exclusively from facts and the data that it is given to use. Without opinion or prejudice, AI can make much smarter decisions. 6. Interactive training. Some businesses are starting to apply digital facts to offer interactive training for cutting-edge employees and new hires. Gathered information indicates the organization in which more training would be needed, then they can create an interactive training program. For instance, believe that a big store accumulated feedback from its clients approximately on their experience in store. The feedback becomes notable till they had been requested approximately the checkout process. As the feedback is steady amongst clients, the store may prepare digital training for the cashiers on the way to properly check out the customers. 5. Predictive reporting and reducing employee turnover. You cannot find a solution to a problem if you do not know what the problem is. Analytics and AI are used to fix certain factors, such as retention of an employee in an organization, why an employee decides to leave, and so on. This data will help to predict and identify solutions that management can then use to improve the entire organization. The predictive reporting will also provide data specifically concerning employee turnover. When human resources understand the reasons behind employee turnover, the department can work toward fixing the issues. While it may not eradicate turnover, it will very likely decrease it. 4. Use of chatbots. If you have ever had the need to call human resources, you likely experienced a wait time like nothing else. Whether it is due to being buried under piles of paperwork or having too many calls to return, callers often wait hours or even weeks for the answers they seek. However, some human resources departments have begun using analytics to put chatbots to work. The chatbots are trained to answer many frequently asked questions pertaining to topics such as benefits. 3. Personalizing the employee experience and bring a human touch. Employee satisfaction often affects whether employees decide to stay or not, as well as how much determination they put into their job. For instance, if a new hire has a bad onboarding and training experience, he or she may already be halfway out the door before they even really start working. By using human resource analytics to personalize and improve the employee experience, you set a good tone for the organization, which will likely decrease employee turnover and minimize absenteeism. For years, HR departments had to spend most of their time on anything but human interaction. Recently, however, HR has had the opportunity to use analytics to automate processes that don't require humans. Companies will continue to use HR analytics to automate the most repetitive tasks or train AI to do it. This frees HR to provide more of a people aspect that they can then use in other important areas, such as creating customer loyalty programs and processes. 2. Employee engagement. Employee engagement is a human resource analytics trend and will be an even bigger focus in the future. Gathering feedback and using the insights gained, employers see areas in which they can create engagement. For instance, a survey might show that employees would enjoy a team outing or health benefits. The organization can use this information to prepare for a team outing or speak with leadership about what benefits could be offered for weight loss. 1. Performance measurement. As the younger generation comes with the prospect of career advancement, organizations must be prepared to push from within. Often the ideal candidate for a position is directly under the management team's interest, but they have no say. If management hires someone from outside the company and ignores the internal candidate, they will feel devalued and will likely seek employment elsewhere. Organizations cannot lose employees because they neglect someone. With human resource analytics and automation, internal employees' performance can be measured and brought to leadership's attention. To summarize, though many people assume that technology will take away human positions, it has instead improved those positions. As with these 7 trends, new and improved technology frees up time for humans to implement critical changes. As organizations become more people-centric, it is imperative to follow their lead to stay competitive. There are many ways in which HR analytics can improve your company. Along with other leaders in your organization, determine the data you want to gather first. Then choose the tools and platforms you will use to gather and analyze the data. Do share your comments. Do not forget to subscribe. Click the like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching.